day 2 in Cambodia. And I'm looking to find a market talking about me a t-shirt. I didn't have a Thai iced tea and put it over my white shirt. So now I need a new one. I came across this market. So let's see what this is about. Chickens and everything. And this is pure chaos. Fresh vegetables, everything. That's good. Okay. Shrimp, crab, fish. So this must be where all the restaurants come and get their supplies in the morning. They have everything out here. That one's still breathing. Oh yeah. So at least you know you're getting fresh food. I gotta ask somebody what the name of this market is. I'm wondering if this is there's a market called I think Orusi. I did look that up, but I didn't know where it was at. But it looks something to like this. So I'm wondering if that's where I'm at. I might ask somebody. Okay, let's go to the right, see what's over here. Okay, more meats. Some eels. They still moving too. Yeah. Everything is fresh. Hello. Uh-oh. He jumped out the water. Now this is the type of stuff I like to see. You know, you immerse yourself in the local culture. See how they live, how they move. I don't eat in no fancy restaurant. Trying to see who I can ask. See what market this is. What kind of bread that is. selling clothes. I don't see no male shirts though. Sir, what's this market called? Arusi?
Kandal market.
What's this market called?
Kandal market.
Which one?
Kandal market.
Kandal Market.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Mama. Thank you, brother. All right. Let's see. What's up over here? Excuse me. All right, let me try to find that market that's selling the clothes real quick, and I'll get back with y'all.